From people dressed in scary costumes to clowns are waiting in the door in the middle of the night, these are the top 3 scary videos caught on doorbell cameras.
Number 1.
First video is about the person dressed in a Halloween costume waiting for someone to open the door. As you see, he's staring at the doorbell waiting for someone to answer the door, but nobody has opened until he just leaves. Just watch the video. You can see no one is opening the door, so after he's just waiting there for a while, he just decides to go home and just leave.
Number 3.
You can see in this image, a person dressed as a clown decides to go into a house, trying to knock, that way someone could open the door. Luckily for the people, nobody was answering since it was in the middle of the night, but as you can see, it's just a clown waiting for someone to open the door.
Number 3.
The clown in the middle of the night decided to go into someone else's house dressed as a clown in order to scare people. Luckily for the people, they were about to open the door till he left as quick as he could. But it was such a scary experience that people could literally suffer from this. Well, these were the last 3 scary videos. If you want more of this content, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.